Hello to all my love and light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. If you would like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I almost forgot that I just won a giveaway. Well, it wasn't actually a giveaway, it was a challenge. And it was done by Susan Young. And she had created a tutorial look and she wanted us to recreate it, and I actually came in runner up, and so I just wanted to open this with you guys. She says congrats, and here's a picture of her. Susan Young, thank you so much. Isn't she beautiful? She's got a really great channel. She does unboxings, tutorials, challenges, giveaways. She's a really amazing lady. I'll leave a link of her channel in the description box below so you guys can go check her out. And I'll also leave a link down below of the look that I created in order to win the challenge. So she's got a bunch of packaging in here. First thing is this little lipstick by Urban Decay, Jean Michael Basquiat, pure. It's in the shade Abstract Cream. It's actually a nude color. It's pretty awesome. This is my very first nude lipstick, so that'll be really cool to try out. I'm so excited. This is the first time I've ever won anything. I'm so excited. And she actually had her grand prize winner pick out of brushes and a makeup palette, I believe. And she sent her a makeup palette, and she picked the brushes. But I actually got this Jeffree Star product. I am so excited. I used to smoke, but I haven't smoked in like 18 weeks now. I just quit. So that's what that looks like. It's really awesome. I'll probably hang on to this because I love Jeffree Star. I love Jeffree Star products. So thank you so much, Sue. It's really awesome. The last thing in here is by MAC. I was super excited about it. It says Power Hungry. It's a little palette. Super reflective. Here's what the shades look like. I am absolutely loving it. And here's the names of the shades on the little plastic. Oh, yes. Let's go ahead and swatch a couple. So this is Gimme That. And then let's go into this gold shade. Ooh, who doesn't love a gold? Wow, isn't that awesome? And then there's this one right next to it. Beautiful pigmentation. Let's do one more. This nice silvery looking color. There you go. Awesome. Thank you so much, Susan Young, for giving us the opportunity to win something and be creative. I had so much fun. I really wasn't expecting it at all. I really appreciate it. Sending my love and light out to you. So if you like this quick video, please give it a big thumbs up. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. It will be coming up after my unboxings, and then I have an announcement to make. I did pick my 100 subscriber giveaway, and I should have called it my 100 supporter giveaway, hashtag I am a creator. And so I'll speak a little bit about that in my 100 subscriber giveaway video. So please stay tuned. I really love this look. I am loving it so much. This morning they're actually having the Gay Pride Parade and the festival. I was thinking about wearing it, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to go that long. We'll see how it goes. But thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one.